Hello friends, welcome to another video of mine. Today I am going to share a most important topic, elasticity. We get to study elasticity in 11th class and BSc second semester. So without any delay, let's get started. Elasticity. It is a property by virtue of which a body resists and recovers any change of length, shape and volume. It is a matter of general observation that when external forces act upon a body, like we have a body, this, it has small particles like this. When an external force acts upon this body, this is an external force. It acts upon the body, then our body is like it stretches over and its shape becomes like that. There is a change in length of the body. This is elasticity. This is the shape when the force is in work, and when we remove the force, the body again comes to its original shape like that. This property of matters is known as elasticity. Now coming to the next point, rigid bodies. A body in which relative displacement between its particles cannot be produced by external forces acting upon it are known as rigid bodies. We have two kinds of bodies, rigid bodies and elastic bodies. Elastic bodies we have studied earlier. rigid bodies वो होती हैं जिसमें हमें डिस्प्लेसमेंट नहीं मिलती. जो मैटर के पार्टिकल्स होते हैं उसमें डिस्प्लेसमेंट नहीं मिलती, और इसमें जो इलास्टिक बॉडीज़ होती हैं उसमें हमें डिस्प्लेसमेंट मिलती है उसके पार्टिकल्स में. Now as we move further in this topic, we come across two important terms in elasticity. These are stress and another one is strain. So stress is the pressure applied. This is a kind of pressure which tends to change the shape, length and volume of the body. And strain is the ratio that is the original shape of that is the change in shape over original shape. Strain is the ratio of change and original. This unit can be your shape, your length or your volume. This is the change that the matter faces. That is if we talk about length, then change in length over original length is our strain, and if we talk about volume, we have change in volume over original volume is a strain. We have three types of strain. First one is longitudinal, second one is volumetric, and the third one is shearing strain. Longitudinal strain is for length. When there is a change in length, then longitudinal strain is small l over original length, that is the change in length over original length. And if we talk about volumetric, it is for volume, as the name suggests, volume. Volumetric, it is a change in volume, that is small v over capital V. And next one is shearing. This is the change in the angle. This is the change in angle.
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.